Guys, I'm outside our house and that is literally our house. Wait a second, guys. Oh, I'm gonna turn the camera beside. This is our house. And I vlog myself. That is my grandma. Look at everybody. My little sister watching. And this is where I vlog. Inside at my house. See? And I will just go outside for a minute. Hey guys.
Hi guys, look at my Lola's garden. It's a lot of
Look at my grandma's garden. It's full of flowers. See? So much flower. These are trash cans. This is my grandma's all the flower fresh. The smell is fresh. Flower is fresh. Everything is fresh. That's why guys, hit the subscribe button right now.